Good morning, my dear students. Now, welcome in SOM lecture. So, now in last video, we saw what is stress and what are the types of stresses. So, now in today's lecture, my dear students, we're going to switch on strain. Now, what is strain? So, see, my dear student, strain always denoted by small letter E. Strain always denoted by small letter E. So what is strain? So strain is nothing but, my dear students, only deformation, simply deformation of a material. It's called as strain. Are you getting, my dear students? And strain always denoted by E. So what is strain? Strain means deformation in a material. Are you getting? So see, supposed to be assume this is what part, or supposed to be assume another part have with us with rectangular shape. See, this is our another part. So see, this part is nothing but area. Okay, so see, area. Are you getting? And shape of this area is what? Circular shape, but we can denote it with the help of diameter. And this is, you know very well, it is a length. Yes, so similar over here. See, this is what? Length. And what is this? This is what? Circular shape, or we can say rectangular shape. So see, this is what? Width. And this is what? Depth. You know very well. So see, here we have a rectangular area, and that rectangular area having a width, and that rectangular area having what? Depth. So this is what? Area. And this area is called as lateral surface. Which surface? Lateral surface, or sometimes it is called as lateral area. Are you getting? Yes, I mean to say, supposed to be assume this is what? Rectangular bar, and this is what? Circular bar. This is a circular bar, and this is what? Rectangular bar. Both bar having area. So see, this W and this depth, D for depth, or we can say sometime height. Are you getting? So this depth to width means this depth to width, it is called as area. It is called as area. See, this is what? Area. Width and depth. Width and depth, it's called as area. See, width and depth. Width into depth, it's called as area. So W for width and D for depth. Width also measure in mm, depth also measure in mm. So it becomes area. W into width, it is called as mmw. Width in mm and D also in mm. So this area means W into D measure in mm square. So similar way, see in this circular bar. What is this? So this circular shape is nothing but area. Are you getting? So area is what? Circular, and this area always denoted by D. Are you getting? So this is what? Area, and this area is called as lateral surface, or sometimes this area surface is called as area. It means this is what? Lateral area. Circular area is called as lateral area. This rectangular area is called as lateral area. Are you getting? And this length, see, this circular bar also having length, and this rectangular bar is also having what? Length. So this along a length, so whatever the area is there, whatever the surface is there, that surface is called as linear surface. Which surface? Linear. So see, this is what? Along a length, this surface along a length of this circular bar. So this is called as linear surface. Are you getting or not? So we have two surfaces over here in our component. So see, this is our component. So this is what? Lateral surface, and this is what? Linear surface. Are you getting or not? Yes. So see, what is the area of this circular? You know very well, pi by 4 d square. So this d always measure in mm, so area becomes mm square. Are you getting or not? So see, my dear students, so this is what? Strain. So strain means deformation. So see, we have a three type of strain. First type of strain. So see, first type of strain, linear strain. So what is linear strain? So see, supposed to be assume this is what? Bar. And which is what? Linear surface in this bar? Yes, so this is what? Linear surface. Along a length is called as linear surface. When you are applying external force on this element, this length goes change. So this length goes change, and this is what? Change in length. This del L. This is what? Del. This is what? Del. So del L. L for length, and del means change. Deformation. Deformation. Are you getting? So this is what original length. After application of force, this length goes increase. So length goes increase means change in length. So see, my dear students, so what is strain? So strain is denoted by E, and L means linear strain. L for linear and E for strain. So linear strain. So see, what is linear strain? Linear strain means change in length. Change in length to original length. Change in length to original length. So see, this is what? Change in length to original length. Are you getting? So what is unit? Change in length to original length. Change in length always measure in mm, and this length also measure in mm. So mm goes cancel. So this is what? Unitless. Strain always unitless. So are you getting? So strain always unitless. So strain don't have any unit. Okay. So this is what? Linear strain. Change in length to original length. So it is a ratio of change in length to original length. Are you getting, my dear students? So this is what? Linear strain. So along a length something deformation is there, that phenomenon is called as linear strain. Along the length of that part. See. So now our next type of a strain is what? Lateral strain. Next type of strain is what? Lateral strain. So see, my dear students, again take one example. See, suppose to this is what? Circular bar. So see, this is what? Lateral surface. You know